Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're here at Google Office. We're going to show you guys around and hopefully this video will motivate you to get better in DSA and coding. And we got here with the help of Venkatesh. Say hi.
Hi.
And we have Priyanka. So we're going to go inside and show you guys around. It's going to be a fun video. Watch it till the end. So right after entering the building, you could see that the reception/lobby area was quite spacious, and we had my favorite sitting structure there, which was the staircase sitting structure. This is what I'm talking about. It was so pretty and it was so peaceful to sit there. They had these lights up in the ceiling, which was again so calming. You could sit there, relax, or just get your work done. It was pretty amazing. And then we went straight to breakfast as we were getting late, and the breakfast spread here was magnificent. It was like a 5-star breakfast buffet. Just have a look at what all you're getting. So this was the breakfast that we were having, and this was the view that we had along with it. Afterwards, we went for a quick coffee, and they had a mini Starbucks working in the center of the office, and there were so many options to choose from. You had so many options that you could order, of course, for free. Everything was for free. So we just got 2 coffees, and after that, we had the coffees there. We sat there for a bit and relaxed. Afterwards, Winky took us to ride bikes around the campus, and of course, we had to try that because in how many offices do you get the opportunity to ride a bike around the campus, right? So we tried that, and it was a great experience, just riding our bikes, talking to each other, and of course, enjoying the view of the campus. Afterwards, we made our way to the mini golf area, but before that, let me show you this massage chair that was there on every floor, and it had a ton of features. It was quite relaxing. So this was the mini golf area, and it was quite an experience to have and play a mini golf game in the office, right? So we had a quick game there, and it was quite an experience. Afterwards, we took a quick snack break, and of course, we had snack options on every floor. And of course, all the snacks were for free. They had a ton of options. They had chips, they had protein bars, they had chocolates, they had crackers. They had so many snack options that you could try anytime you want. Whenever you want something to munch on, they had a snack option there. And on top of that, of course, they had unlimited cold drinks. So that's a great deal for someone like me who loves Diet Coke because you will be getting unlimited Diet Cokes whenever you want, which is a great deal. And afterwards, we made our way to the gaming section, which was like a full blown arcade section of a mall, that too inside your office. And afterwards, it was time for lunch, and lunch was even more grand than the breakfast. The buffet spread was amazing. Like, you will never feel the need to go to another buffet ever again because all the cuisines, all your favorite food will be served in the office regularly, daily, 3 times a day. Just check it out for yourself. So this is what our plates look like, and if after having your belly full you feel like you want to relax, you want to take a nap, then Google has you covered because they have these nap rooms where you can take a power nap or relax as per your mood. And they also had food trucks with street food option as well. Afterwards, we made our way back to the arcade section because by now it had gotten a little emptier. So we got on all these machines and we played against each other and had a lot of fun. On top of the arcade section, you had a PlayStation area as well, which was loaded with a ton of games for you to enjoy. Afterwards, it was time to leave. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you want to see more office tours, you want to see more office logs, then please let me know in the comments. And if you would like to invite me to your office, then again, reach out to me in the comment section or in the DMs. Thank you so much for watching. Let me see you guys in the next one.